Okay, I'm back with the screwdrivers. I'll be using this one. I hope I'm not in the... I didn't end up in the movie, I just was coaching. And... I'm not... Okay. Let's see. We need to unscrew it. Let's try to do it quick so you don't lose the time, right? Or you can make it quicker. You see it? Yeah. See it? So I unscrew my video card, I need to put it out. And there's lots of cords lying around. They're on my way too, but nothing is perfect. There is some perfect build. You don't see any cords outside. They're all behind motherboard. They go inside. But I have no perfect setup. But that's why I want to make a video to just show you guys like what you would expect. Go from old card to new card on old machine with imperfections like this. So that's I need, but I got to put them away first. I think it's better to put them first, I think. And this one goes away too. Okay, so I know that they go to video card, to my video card. So let's put it away now. Don't touch, probably the best way, don't touch that part. Is it going? No, it doesn't. Ah, of course. How dumb I am. Okay, yeah, right. I see lots of comments right now telling me how dumb I am. I need to switch, I need to pull, let me show you. There is a PCI slot. Let me show you. Hold on. Oh my goodness, it's not enough. Okay, you see this blue thing right there? This one. So I need to put, it's a switch, it's like key to the PCI. You need to put it out so you can remove the card. Yeah, I know you know. Just want to show it better. Okay. It's always to show. It's better always to show than don't say it. So you need to click it down, and now you can take it out. Here we go. You see it stay in my way. Tuck. It doesn't go really. Okay, I disconnected it, but it's like it's fighting me right now. I don't want to really touch it around. So I put it up a little bit higher and squeeze it. Okay, so that's one old one. Let's measure it. How I'm touching it really. You shouldn't touch that part. That's bad if you're touching this part, because if you have dirty hands or sweaty hands, you can really do something bad to this part. So that's old card. Let's see how big it is. How big it is. Where I can show it. I'll put it like that. Let me see if you see it. Yes, you see it. What is it with the camera? Why it's so... Huh. It's like it's fighting me too. Okay, that's my old card. And the new card is 12 inches. Oh my god, it's much bigger. so the size could be like really a problem. Do you see it? Yeah, it's much bigger. So the size, I probably need to move around my stuff here, because it's 12 inches. It's much bigger than my old cart, and old cart is fighting me when I try to set it up. Okay, so I'm going still to put in, don't touch it, I'm still going to put it into this slot, because these two ones supposed to be 8 and 8, this 16, 8 and 8, so that's twice quicker. Well, when you crossfire them, they always recommend to put it on the top, except Asus. I saw it somewhere. I don't remember where I saw it, but I saw it somewhere. Okay, so look how that one looks like. What I need to do? I need to make that space out. I need to put my cords out. So how easy to do that? Let me think, and I will come back. Let me think about it.